One shall stand, one shall fall.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're on part 4 of our Prime build. I've been working on the forearms here. You can see I got the transmissions halves right there. And I'll be able to drill into these and mount that tube right here that will go into the elbow joint to solidify this. And yeah, there's still some greeblies bouncing around in there. Oh, it fell out. But yeah, this is a basic shape. I'm going to add some more detail to it. And this thing's loose too. But yeah, that'll be the... actually, they're backwards. This will be the left arm. This will be the right arm. I got my cab painted. I got some stuff mounted on there. Got the Freightliner badge up front there. Got the bumpers right there. I got two of my fog lights mounted in there. Let's see if we can quickly find the battery, and even more quickly get this thing working. I had it. There you go. As you can see, those will light up nice and bright. Seeing these makes me really want to tear that other kit apart and light all the lights on it, because that looks really cool. I've also got my fiber optics set up for my other fog lights, the ones that go on top of the cab here. I haven't mounted those yet, but yeah, this is a little thing that will go inside the cab, and those will go up into those. This thing works pretty well too. Let's see if we can light this up quickly. Yep, there we go. You can see there's 4 little amber lights, which will be up here. I also got my Molotov chrome pen in, and man, that is awesome. And the tip of that is done. I redid these sides here, and that looks pretty darn good. I'm really liking this. I got both of these done up here right now. But yeah, that chrome pen is awesome. So I'm gonna actually use it to do the. I think I'm gonna use it to do the windshield wiper, the mounting points. The wipers are black right now, but the mounts, the arms. There's the word. The arms will be chrome too, and I'll use it to touch up the. Let go. Touch up the these things. These for what are they? The fog lights, the lamps. Of course, I can't find one right now. There's one right there. I took them off and I put them in my bin of parts here. I don't want to lose. But if you can see that on the side there, because of where it's mounted on the tree, you can see that white there. So, no like that. And I'm going to just brush some chrome on there and it'll look great. All 4 of them are like that too, unfortunately. I've got some more work done on the cab itself. Main body, main torso. You can see I got these wires mounted and just loose here. I got some of the red panels attached here and on the back. Got everything mounted in, and my little plate. The switch is right here. You can just turn that off and on. Mounted with the magnets here, which work great. Just snaps right into place. Yeah, have to do this more often. But yeah, I'm thinking about wiring up the headlights today. The sections that go under the grill right here on either side. So I'm gonna work on that. I'll be right back. Hey guys, happy 4th of July. It is the 4th of July today. Ooh, there we go. American flag. It is currently 90 degrees outside with a humidity of 89. So I'm going to be inside all day until it cools off. But I just got a nifty little thing in the mail. Right here, got a package from one Space Dock Modeling to me. This has stuff for my Prime. I'm going to get this out. We're going to look at it. Alright, Space Dock did me a solid and a half by printing me up some 3D parts and casting some parts for me. But he printed me these little guys, which are solid, and they will be the inner working for the elbow joint. You can see we have put the caps on like this, and we will be drilling in for our rod that will go to the shoulder, and then our rod that will go to the forearm. So we got 2 of these, and he also printed me up some knees. So we'll do something similar with the knees. Move that out of the way. These are for the center torso, and as you see, they're nice and solid. I'm not sure which one of these I'm going to use, probably the smaller one, but these will be attached like this. I will epoxy these together. I'm also going to drill a hole through the center and then up through the underside of this, which will, this will mount under here. I don't want to put it in all the way, but it will mount under there. We will cap that off, maybe with even a screw, but that'll fill in a nice chunk of the torso and give me some much needed solidity to the build. The other thing he did is, well, you remember my not so clear eyes? Well, now I have clear eyes, and now I'll be able to light these guys with my blue LEDs. Just gently put that in there. There we go. Clear eyes. I'm actually so excited about these, I'm going to get an LED attached to show you what this looks like. Be right back. Alright, let's see how this looks. There we go. Camera is blowing it out, but that looks perfect. That's just 1 LED behind there. I bought 2, I thought I need 2, but no, I'm just going to need 1. That looks a little bright on camera, but in real life, that is perfect right there. Thought I'd show this too. I got the headlights mounted in here. They're not that bright again in real life. You can actually see the individual bulbs here. They are wired into the fog lights. But yeah, I got those done too. Alright, we have the left forearm almost done. I added some of the kit details on the front here. Mirror and the grab rail, which actually should be behind it, but it looks cool on the arm. The door handle, the little glass piece here. And underneath, I'm working on adding some details, some robo details, some wires, and I'm going to add some greeblies in here just to fill in this section and this section. I did get my hole cut in here for the, where is it, metal rod, which will go all the way up to there, be nice and sturdy. And now that I have my awesome 3D printed parts from Space Dock, I can drill my holes in there and get that elbow joint mounted there. So, that I think is going to do it for this week. I don't have anything else more to show. Next week, I'll be starting off with the head. I want to get that together and wired up. And I'll be continuing on with the arms. I'm hopefully going to get the arms done and see what we can get done with the torso. I want to thank everyone for watching. You guys have a great 4th of July. Stay safe, have fun, and take care.